motif for 6 years is purple or white. Tapos sweets yung modern theme. Kaya meron kaming sweet corner dyan. Candies and games. I know, pwede mo iuwi lahat yan. Yes. Tapos meron din kaming memorabilia ng mga DIY things namin. Through the years, mga pinagpipirmahan nyo, muna na binigyan mo sila. Masakit na akin yung 2 kilo. Tapos hindi na masasakit sila. Kaya nga, hindi yan pwede mawala.
Hindi daw ako nakikinig, kumakain lang.
Go! Tapos, huwag ka ma-conscious. Tapos, meron dito pala daw yan. Meron kami cellphone cases na bibigyan namin sa inyo. Puro your foundations, abang ka. Tapos, pwede namin, actually, inisip namin yung benta for foundation. Kasi, yan. Ito white.
Maganda ng white.
Hawakan nyo daw.
Picture. Yung YPF. Yes, Pinoy ka. Yes, Pinoy.
Yeah.
Cute.
Pero amin na to.
Yes.
Yung black na.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Nice.
Tapos, meron, bawat isa sa amin, ginawa ng, actually, long message for everyone. Tapos sa likod, merong pictures. Ayun na. So, anong gagawin natin? Sito na ba? O tayo? Punod ba kayo?
Mamaya, mag-gig sana sila.
Hindi, kasi makain pa eh.
Oo nga, mamaya.
O, di tagtaog na lang natin. Basahin ko na lang ito habang kumakain kayo. Yan na lang, para meron tayong magawa.
Ano siya sa drawing?
Oo, ginawa. Sasalamin namin.
Time out muna, time out.
Papakatotoo na. Hindi ko mabase. Kanina nag-game kami. Nagbasa ako ng ng alphabet. Tour of the Philippines.
Okay.
Lahat related sa Donald.
Okay. Ano kompleto naman? A to Z?
Kompleto!
Ano yung Z?
Zoo.
Gusto mo malaman kung bakit zoo? Marami kasi mga camping na inaaway kami nung nabuti sa camping. Mga ilusyon natin.
Related talaga.
Related, di ba? Meron pa Y. Alam mo yung Y? Yata ni Fredo. Di ba?
Lahat meron, no?
Meron. E, elevator. Sa decibel. Si Tropic.
Akala ko sa trailer.
Di naman. Tapos D, damuhan. Kung saan nabuo si Cruzita. Mga gano'n. Yun. Tapos, ano natin balikan yung mga hindi ko nais-nais. Nyok. N for nyok. Yung sinuntok ni Fredo. Diba?
Yung ba yun?
Nyok yun yung coconut tree. Kala mo, nakalimutan mo si Fredo, kakala si Batman. Tapos, ano ba ba? Baka kung masabi.
Nagalit ka na.
Tapos,
Wow.
ayun na.
Sige, wali siya.
Yes.
Hindi ko kaya ang ako na ginawa.
Ito dong, G, Grease. Marinar.
3 months honeymoon.
Di ba yung honeymoon? Yung Grease. Ay, hindi nyo na alam, favorite si namin. Honeymoon. Yung isa kayo mag-honeymoon, di ba? Hindi, hindi. Yung dialogue.
Ay, hindi ko na maalala yun.
Ay, hindi ko na maalala.
Wow.
Hindi na nga.
Wow.
Di ba? Tapos J, Jacuzzi. Oh. Alam niyo yun, syempre. Na para bang ano?
Parang ano?
Yun, ano.
Puno-puno ng bubbles.
Hindi ko nalalahatin. Ano ba? Davao. Yun yung first kiss na off-screen na live.
Wala yung host.
Diba? Ganun lang yung bakla. Bakla ng padlak na makita. Ayun. Ay, Intramuros. Siyempre, wedding of the year. Next. Baba. Sige, balik na tayo dito sa text. Basahin ko na lang itong history. Okay, 6 years and 83 pesos. You're familiar with Pinoy Exchange?
Yeah.
That's the site where we all started. 6 years and, per thread,
Pinoyexchange.com.
So, yung pangalan ko, Celebrity of the Year kami.
sa Pinoy Exchange. Text Choice Awards. Yun. So, we started as a group of usernames looking for sources of news on the latest on Dingdong and Marian. From one fan site to another, from YouTube subscriptions to blogs, our search landed as the Pinoy Exchange, where this Dingdong and Marian thread seemed to have a prevailing form. Remaining anonymous, we kept our identity secret to each other, yet trusting in our commonalities when it comes to what makes us kilig. The quick glances, with smiles in their eyes, sample, the hands slightly touching when they stand side by side, the sweet affirmations of their friendship, quote-unquote, and the undeniable yet very palpable chemistry between these two. 6 years and 83 threads ago, on February 18, 2008, Aryan named this group the Dominatics. And when the thread was started, once the group, si Aryan, she's not here. Once the group was named, one by one we slowly started to come. From different fan sites and groups and provinces and countries, we all gathered here in PEX. We shared everything and anything Dongan. We fought kambings and bangos together at Mizzou. We exchanged observations and kiligs and doubts and more kiligs with each other. Spending hours online, chatting in private conferences and the YM. We cheered together, cried together, carried on, keeping the faith together. We have formed lasting friendships that have withstood time and distance and even transcended nationalities. 6 years and 83 threads later, we have cheered for them in every TV appearance regardless of network or time slot. We have promoted, watched, monitored the ratings of every teleserye of Domingan together or apart. We have bought all magazines where they appeared in print ads or articles inside or on the cover. We have switched product brands countless times depending on what Dom and Mario were endorsing. Pwera lang yung condominium. At baka sakali yung Hyundai na kotse. Hyundai ako, in fairness. Yes, we have attended all the movie premieres, risking life and limb in the process. Yet still, we come back 2 to 3 more times after to watch the movies during regular screenings. And even organized block screenings together with other DY groups. We have campaigned and voted and concocted all possible algorithms to increase the votes of Dong and Yan in every poll online. We ate in the restaurants they ate at, bought their old articles of clothing, boarded planes and traveled long distances to see them. We have supported their advocacies, not in blind adulation, but simply because we believe in this process as well. 6 years and 83 text threads later, several Christmas, birthdays, and anniversary parties later, there's no longer any need to decode anything, to fish for vitaminas, or to even doubt anything. The Instagram account of Dong and Yan are there for all of us to witness their love of family, of country, and most of all for each other. 6 years and 83 threads later, with as many innovative and inventive thread titles as one can imagine, some have moved on perhaps due to persistent doubts or to changes in their idol preference. Some are still DY fans but are posting less due to career, school, family demands. Some have formed or have realigned with other DY or Dingdong or Marian groups. Yet, there are those of us who have remained. Si Kat MD, who continues to update us with the latest DY articles and pictures online. Si Jack, who manages our social media account and the architect behind our website. She's also the official ambassador of the Dominatics to the other international chapters. Si Winnie, Ate Winnie, sa kanal. Yay! Our unofficial treasurer and official ambassador to the other DY groups. The Tropang Rampa, kaway. Ate Winnie, Ate Baby, ayan. Si Rio, si Mia, si Rose, si Lynn, si Sheet, si Jem, si Manu, who always represent us and bring home the goods, pics and bits from every DY event. Ate King, she's not here, she's from Bacolod, Iloilo. For the video uploads of all your TV appearances, kaya kompleto kami. And you who are reading this, kasi message ko ito sa text, you who started day and ended by back reading this thread, the Tropang SPG, ano yung SPG? Yung bayat gabay. Yung Tropang SPG. Ang Tropang lulubog lilitaw, mga dadalitas, mga Lurkers, you who have silently laughed, cried, and shrieked in kilig with us. You who do not regularly post but are quick to respond to our plea for support for the various DY advocacies and activities. You are the reason why the thread is always a top rater. You are the reason why after 6 years and 83 threads later, we are still here. The websites may have changed from .com to .org to official Donganatics. The members may have come and gone, but the thread remains, the name remains, and the group remains. The official Donganatics. Strength namin, I think, is